How to fix WhatsApp call not showing on lock screen problem. So if you want to fix WhatsApp call not showing on lock screen problem, then what you need to do is first open up your WhatsApp application and go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go with settings. Under settings, go with search, which is on the upper right, and now you just need to simply go and search for notification on lock screen. And if you find the option of notifications on lock screen, you just need to simply go and turn it on. But if you don't have that option, then just go with the account option. Under account, go with the notifications and turn on the security notifications. Once you've turned on the notifications, now what you need to do is just simply tap and hold on to your WhatsApp and go with the app info. And under your app info, now you need to go with the notifications. Make sure that you've turned on the notifications right here. And after that, scroll down, go with call notifications. Once you're under call notifications, now you just need to simply go with lock screen. And here it says don't show notifications at all. But if you have another option, which is show notification, then you can simply tap on show and you'll be able to fix your problem. But in my case, I don't have that option to show the notifications on my lock screen. And if you have, then just go with it. And that's it. That's how you can fix your WhatsApp call notification not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.